Shot peening power for support wheels, the industry's must-have. Peening for RT shot peening machine, equipped with both internal and external blast guns. It delivers precise peening via 3-axis robotic arm. Achieve high-volume production with a 45-second cycle time per part, directly maximizing fatigue strength. Expertly engineered for support wheels. This rotary table machine is the result of a decade of refinement by Shanghai Eternal Equipment Technology. Born from optimizing classic, proven designs, it is purpose-built for peening the gear teeth and shafts of support wheels. With 50 kilograms load capacity and abrasion-resistant protection, its robust construction ensures durable component processing. 4-station rotary table plus closed-loop abrasive system. Complete support wheel peening in one seamless step. Dust emission less than or equal to 5 milligrams per cubic meter. An environmentally sound and reliable solution, strengthening the core of construction machinery with uniform peening and rapid cycling. The Peening for RT shot peening machine is the ultimate guardian of support wheel longevity.